Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to see how you can log into your PayPal account. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'd have to do is make sure that PayPal is installed on your phone. And after making sure that PayPal is installed, you can simply just open this app. And after opening the app, here you can see there is the option of adding your email and your password. Now write down the email that you created your PayPal account with. So after writing down your email address, tap on this password box and type down the password of your PayPal account. So after writing down your email and your password, all you have to do is tap on this button, login, right here. After doing so, here you can see we have now successfully been logged into our PayPal account. You can tap on your profile icon right here. And you can see this is your name and this is your personal information. And this is how you can log into your PayPal account. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.